Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets. Thanks for tuning in. So this video I'm coming to you guys, well, pretty casual here. It's 99 degrees in the garage and 106 outside. So a little bit more casual here, but this video is actually a little bit bittersweet. So the reason being is that one of these two has got to go. And on the channel here, I had to make a pretty big decision. With that being said, the Crown Vic has got to go. Now there's quite a few reasons for this, but it's actually pretty simple. The most important being that, well, my wife needed a better vehicle for my daughter. The other issue is that here in Arizona, it is hotter than hell for 4 or 5 months out of the year, and we had no vehicle with air conditioning in the rear for my daughter, which was getting to be also troublesome. It's not very comfortable in the back of a baking vehicle. So it just came time for me to put the old Crown Vic up on eBay. As of the filming of this video, there's 5 days or so left. I'm going to link the eBay auction down below. So if you catch it in time, you want to be the proud owner of a salvage rebuilt Crown Vic, you're more than welcome to. You guys have seen pretty much everything on the channel here as to what went into this rebuild, including my DIY paint job that for me, I'm proud of the results. In the eBay listing, I made it very clear that it is not something that I would stand behind warranty wise, but mechanically the vehicle is incredibly sound, and you know, I think this thing's got 100,000 miles, if not more, to give. So you know, the posting, you can check it in the link down below, but it's somewhere around 114,000 miles. It has under 500 hours on the engine idle hour meter, which if you're a Crown Vic fan, you know that is very, very low for what these vehicles typically go for. They're usually in the thousands. Now, I am selling it with all of the maintenance records that I got. Basically, this file has all of the maintenance records from day one of this car's inception into the Sacramento County Sheriff's Department. It was a probation department vehicle, so it's a P71 with the street appearance package. I'm not going to go through all that here, but street appearance package. I did convert it over to the black wheels because the hubcaps that were on here were trashed when I got it. It's been incredibly fun car to drive, so I'm actually really disappointed to get rid of it. If my channel were bigger here, I would keep this car and proceed to put more money into it than what it's probably worth. You know, this car was not purchased with the intent of becoming the next Cletus McFarland or Freedom Factory YouTube channel. Those guys are making plenty of bucks off their Crown Vic content, and I suggest that you go check them out. If I had the opportunity to rebuild this car myself and do something totally crazy with supercharging or turbocharging, I would absolutely do it because I truly love this car. But when it all comes down to it, family is the most important thing. I do not make enough ad revenue on this channel currently to support the motorcycle, the car, and other future endeavors that I have kind of up my sleeve. So I do not have the resources to keep a stable of vehicles for this channel, and it's truly unfortunate because, again, I truly love this Crown. So I just wanted to put out an update video because the money isn't the most important thing. The bigger thing here is 306 subscribers. So to the 306 of you that jumped on the channel here because of this series, I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me, and I'm assuming that you are incredible Crown Vic fans, and that's why you jumped on the channel. So I truly appreciate that. I'm sorry if I'm disappointing anybody out there, but you know, again, the subscribers are far more important than the money in the grand scheme of things here, and you know, I really appreciate you guys coming along. So yeah, I'm really bummed out that it's come to this to have to sell it, but this channel does not generate enough ad revenue to have a stable of vehicles at this point. Real bummed out. This Crown Vic can become yours for, well, whatever the price goes for, I guess.
$1 million.
We'll see where that goes. So thank you very much to you guys that stuck through and watched some of the content. I had a blast doing all of it. Rebuilding it was a really great time. I would like to do some more of that stuff in the future, just as really as a hobby. And basically everything I do as a hobby ends up on this channel anyways. But I would love to do some more rebuild stuff. So also, I want to say a huge thank you to Summit Racing, who I am sure bailed on this series as far as paying attention to it long ago, because I generated not really a whole lot of eyes for them. I understand 24,000 eyes is not worth some of the effort they put into sponsoring the series. It certainly wasn't like a financial sponsorship, but they did send me some materials for rebuilding it, and a huge thank you to Summit. You know, again, not everything goes as planned. I would have loved to have this series turn into something big. It didn't. No harm, no foul. You got to take some shots, and that's part of the YouTube world, is trying new things, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't. But again, I would love to do more garage stuff, more rebuild series. And with that being said, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time tuning in, please hit that subscribe button down below. Remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel. Bids on a Crown Vic go a long way to help support the channel. And I'm going to go from my 99-degree garage to go edit this video in my 75-degree studio. So thank you guys very much. We'll see you guys next time.
Well, I've got spare parts from my last broken heart. Somehow more than what I had to start. Yeah, I've got spare parts. I tried to fix it best I remembered it. I hope it runs when I fire it up, 'cause I got spare parts. So if you see something that you might need, anything you can use, what's left of it might be the perfect fit, 'cause I got spare parts. Took a piece of you, like lovers often do. But I'll try to make it good as new, 'cause I got spare parts. So if you see something that you might need, anything you can use, what's left of it might be the perfect fit, 'cause I've got spare parts. What's left of it might be the perfect fit, 'cause I've got spare parts. I've got spare parts from my last broken heart.